Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan strawberry ice cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh or frozen strawberries, 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk, and roughly 1/2 cup of your favorite sweetener. A crucial step is to make sure your ice cream maker bowl has been chilling in the freezer for at least 24 hours. Finally, prepare your strawberries by washing and hulling them, or thawing them if they were frozen. Now let's get blending. Take your prepared strawberries, the full-fat coconut milk, and your sweetener, and combine them all in a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy, with absolutely no fruit chunks left. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once blended, pour this beautiful pink mixture into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Churn it for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency, as per your machine's guidelines. Once your ice cream maker has done its job, you'll have a lovely soft serve consistency. Carefully transfer this into an airtight, freezer-safe container. To get that classic firm, scoopable texture, you'll need to freeze it for at least 4 to 6 hours. For the best results, I recommend leaving it overnight. When you're ready to enjoy, simply take it out of the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will make it much easier to scoop and serve. Here are a few tips to elevate your vegan strawberry ice cream. For an extra rich and decadent treat, try using full-fat coconut cream instead of milk. You can also play around with different natural sweeteners like maple syrup or agave nectar to find your perfect balance. A little secret for boosting that strawberry flavor is to add just a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your blend. Enjoy customizing your delicious homemade dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.